Hi! In front of me is Infinix Note 30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Manager. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill with Google, and this switcher next to Use Autofill with Google. So when I click, as you can see, the switcher turned gray. That means that Autofill is disabled, but you can always enable it by hitting the same one again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!